Hello everyone. Many of you, when you come here, asking me about some common greeting sentences, some common questions, answers for their Turkish pronunciations. I would like to teach you some Turkish language. When you would like to say good morning or bonjour, in Turkish it's günaydın. Günaydın. When you ask how are you or comment ça va, it's basically one word, nasılsın. Nasılsın. The answer for that is I'm okay, I'm fine, ça va bien, iyiyim, iyiyim. So for thank you very much, s'il vous plaît, teşekkür ederim. It's two words. One is teşekkür, the second is ederim. It's a little bit tricky, but I believe you can do it. And when someone says teşekkür ederim, you can say rica ederim, means like not at all, or je vous en prie, rica ederim, two words. So maybe you can practice this before you come here, so you may do a little surprise for us.